guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try to fire up my 1972 Toyota Celica. If you guys didn't catch the last video, we swapped in this supposedly good 18 RC engine, and we also backed it up with a 5-speed transmission. We got everything buttoned up basically, got the new Weber 3236 conversion put on. I did a video on that, so if you want to see how that all goes on, just check out my channel. But yeah, I think we're ready to see if this thing will fire up. As you can see, we still don't have the radiator on the front or any of the cooling system, but I just want to let this thing run for a couple seconds, see how it sounds, and then we will go ahead and do the water pump and get all that put back on. But yeah, I think we're just gonna see what happens. I got the fuel hooked up, just gravity feeding it down here, and then we're just gonna see if this accelerator pump works. There we go. You can see the gas spraying down. And this is the electric choke. I don't have it hooked up yet, so I think we're just gonna shove that down and in there. Just have it hold open. I have no clue what to expect, but I guess we're just gonna try to fire this thing up and see if it runs. Shoo. Started right up. We have a little bit of a exhaust leak. I wasn't able to get the exhaust really put on, so the donut's just wide open. I think the timing's a little bit off. Let me adjust that distributor a little bit. Just mess with this distributor a little bit and try this again. Runs.
Oh, that was really smoky.
Well, we got an exhaust leak down here. So I think we'll just have the hose running, and then we'll just have it like this the whole time and then try to start it. So you're gonna hold this, I think. Okay, dokie. I'm just gonna try to turn that idle down. Basically all the way down. I think we'll do no choke. And see if this thing fires up. Oh yeah.
Fuck.
Just don't let any water down in the carburetor.
Okay,
oh, this thing sounds good. making a ticking noise?
Kinda.
Shit.
Okay, turn it
I'm
off.
making a tip. What is that noise?
No, but
It
I
sounds good.
don't want my arm to get blasted.
It's the timing chain, I think. Other than that, though, this thing sounds good.
Hey, dude.
Oh yeah, boys! Back in business. There we go. It runs. Oh, you can turn the hose off now. Oh, shoot. So, there we go, guys. I think timing chain's kind of making a little rattle. So, I don't know. We might do that. It's kind of a pain in the butt because the oil pan, there's a couple bolts down here, and last time I did it, you kind of actually need to pull the oil pan, at least loosen it up a little bit. We might just do that when we change the water pump because we'll be down there. Just right now, it's perfect time to do it because there's no radiator in the way, and we just have access to the cover. Just zip those bolts off and could have it off. I actually have a new timing chain under that tarp in that engine. That's the blown engine that we pulled out of the car. I changed the timing chain on it way back then, so might have to open that one up, get the timing chain out, swap it onto here, and then we'll have a good runner. But sounded good, sounded strong. That carburetor worked really good. No more like lag when you give it throttle. Super responsive, so I think that's gonna do it for right now. Next video, I don't know, maybe this will be the end of the video, or maybe I'll continue it and do some more work. I don't know. We're kind of just in a situation where we got to do water pump, get the radiator back on, and do the timing chain. So I don't know. You guys might be seeing this right now. If so, congrats. Okay, I need to end this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. Leave a like, leave a comment. Oh shit, I'm done.